Hello and welcome to 3dprintronics.com. Today we are going to show you the sample of the spring steel sheet for Mk52 heated bed. This is a new sample which we have got. The earlier lot was not very good. It was not flat, but this sheet is extremely flat and as flat as a mirror. If you see, this sheet is completely flat from all the sides. These are heat treated and with PEI sheet pasted on both the sides. If you can see that these stick very well to the bed, so there is no problem in sticking. And since these are heat treated, so they regain their shape even after considerable bending. We have tested these. We have tested the small size samples as of now, so they have performed extremely well. So these sheets will be available in different sizes as well on our website, and for Mk52 heated bed also. So you can as of now these sheets are in pre-order state on our website. You can order from there. You can also order these sheets along with the bed, so this will be quite economical to you in terms of shipping. So instead of ordering these sheets separately, if you order a bed and you order a spring steel sheet along with it, it will be very economical in terms of shipping. So this is the update regarding the Mk52 spring steel sheet as of now, and these will be available for shipping within 10 to 15 days. Thank you very much.